Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Last video we have seen how to use usedispatcher to access the actions or methods available in global states. Now in this video we are doing some modification and adding more buttons and more facility to this counter. For that, first of all, I display total number of counter available. For that, we have total counter here. So in total counter, I just use style equal to, I say styles dot container. This is my container, and here I make this container, and here I say flex 1. Save this, and we have here justify content to the center like this. So we have in the center of the screen now. Now I need one more you can say view here. In this view I need one text, and here I display total counter. I say total counter, and here I will display the total number of counter are positive right now, means they are in positive way, like greater than 0, that I am going to display here. So save this. Total counter is here, so I need to provide a style here also. So I say styles dot, I say reset. I will make reset button also here. So I say reset container, and here I make it reset container. I say reset container, and here I say flex direction is row wise like this, and here I say justify content. I say space between. Do this, and one more thing I have this text also, so I specify the text to this also. So I say style equal to styles dot total counter, so that I want to specify. So I say total counter, and I say font size is 30. Save this. Yeah, 30 is not okay. I say 25, and I say font weight is bold. Save this. Okay, and I can give color also. I say color of this is green. Save this. Yeah, now I need to specify one more component. First of all, I give the total number of counters, so I say counters dot we say filter, counters dot filter, and I say counter, and I say counter dot count property greater than 0 here, and I say dot length. So this counter I want to display here, you see. So this is the counter, same counter we have variable, and we filter this and we find out the value which is greater than 0, and you see 4 are right now. If I make increment decrement, you see 0, so 3 is there, and you see if 0, 2 is there, so it modifying as per the counter available more than 0. One thing is done. Now we have to create a reset button. So for creating a button we need opacity, so I go to the counter, and from here I just copy this opacity like this, and I specify in total counter, and here just after this I specify this total counter, and here I use opacity, touchable opacity like this. Save this, and same I need dispatcher also here, so I use dispatcher. I say const, I say dispatch, and I import the data type of this. So I say import from the store we have to import. Same I can import from here. I say app dispatch, and here I say app dispatch from use dispatch. From here we need to specify. Now we have this, remember. So this button is here, use dispatch, and I need to specify here the reset. I say reset here button. So this button is called style is reset. so I say btn reset. Save this, and we have to call the reset button, not a decrement button. So I do this also. So first of all, I make some look like of button here. So I say btn reset, look like a button. So I say background color I say orange, or I can say red, like this. And I can say background color to orange also, and I say font size to 30. Yeah, I say font weight to bold. Yes, I say padding to 10. Okay, and I say border radius to 10. You see, look like a button. And I give margin from the left side to 20. You see, like this. And I provide total counter also margin from the end, so 20, like this. And total counter is working from the left. Padding we have 10, and here also I provide padding 10. You see, so now I can give margin to the container. So I say margin to this container is 10. You see, now it is working. And I can give the color to this button. I say color is white, like this. Reset button. So you see, reset button is okay, but this reset is not available, so I have to call here reset, remember. And I'm not passing any ID here because we do not require any particular parameter. We have to reset all the counters. So dispatch reset. Now we go to slices. One more method we have to create here. So this is decrement here. So after this decrement, I need one more method here, and here I say reset, remember. And in this reset method we have state, and we can take state. We do not want any action to be, because we are not passing any parameter, so doesn't require action. And here I say state dot filter, remember. And I say counter, and here I want to reset all, so I say counter dot count equal to 0 to all. Remember, we want to set 0 to all. And after that I say return. From here, try to see reset. No, it is not working. Reset does not exist. So we have to import also. First of all, in total counter we need to import this reset. So I import from slices, and remember, from slice here we have to import this also. We say export reset button, method we have to export. And here we need import reset from the slices, like this. Now it is done. So reset is okay, and we are able to call this. Now I call reset, and no, we are not able to reset this. So we have to make some modification in a coding. Modification is we have to do this. After doing this, I do like this, I do like this, and after this I say return counter. Save this. Now I try to call it. Once again I have to restart. I click, you see all are 0. So you see incrementing, decrementing, and if I want to make it reset, I say reset. You see all are 0. Now reset is working. Now one more thing we need a delete button also to delete the counter. For that, what I do, I create one more button after this increment, copy and paste here, and I say here delete. Delete means I just put here cross button for delete. You see delete is coming here just after this, and I need to make it red also. So I say btn delete, So this delete setting I want. Del button we have already, I have del button. So I can say it to del button. I say DEL button, del button. So we have red one, you see, red thing we have. Already I have this del button. So we have the same color is red. Now again we want to perform the deletion operation. So in place of this, we have to put here delete all method here. We are passing ID here. Remember, delete all, and we are passing ID. So again we have to go to slices, and here we need to create one more function. For that I just copy this and I just paste this, remember, and I call it delete all. Remember, delete all, and in place of decrement we have to delete. So I say here return, and no return from here, and remove this also, and I say here counter not equal to payload. No need of this, save this, call this here, save this, you see. So in filter we are returning the filter that if payload is not equal to payload, because we are passing a ID. So this ID is not equal to that, then we will have all these. So delete all. Now we have to export this. So I say delete all, save this, and then again in counter we have to import this. I say delete all, and we are calling this delete all here. Once again I restart, and you will see that we are managing global states and Redux Toolkit. You see remove, once again I run it. So we have all the counter, you see. If I plus then it become 4. So total counter is working, you see, total counter is working, reset button is working, delete is also working, you see, everything is working. So we are able to perform all the operations which we required in a counter with the help of Redux Toolkit, and we maintain the slices also. All the operations one by one we perform in the slices. We link this slice with the storage, we use the storage in counter also, and we use the storage in total counter also, like this here. And everything we understand with the help of different videos. I make you understand each and every concept of Redux Toolkit with the help of this example. It's a very simple example of React. Everybody knows how to make counter. So with the help of this counter, I try to make you understand how to use Redux Toolkit. Redux Toolkit is very simple. It used to manage global state. So we are able to access global state in our application which we use React Native with TypeScript. So I think you understand now. My application is completed also. In all previous 7 videos we understand how to use Redux Toolkit with React Native with TypeScript. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.